Hello children, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is a oval shape. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. This is a 3-quadrant. This is a arrow shape. This is a right triangle. Now it's coloring time. Light blue color. This is a blue color oval. Orange color. This is the orange triangle. Red color. This is a red rectangle. Green color. This is a green arrow. Yellow color. This is the yellow 3-quadrant. Pink color. This is a right triangle. Oval, triangle, rectangle, arrow, 3-quadrant, right triangle. Thank you for watching children. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.